Hey everybody, Mr. G here to do the homework with you. Be sure your name is on it and the date. Today is the 30th. There you go. Because you didn't notice, I'm here with my good friend Canelo, the boxer, Mexican boxer. He's going to do the homework with us, so here we go. On the place value chart below, label the units and write the number 90,745. So first I'm going to label, so I have my ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Now remember, if I go too fast, be sure you can pause the video, you can stop the video, you can rewind, whatever you need to do. Okay. So the 5 is in the ones place, 4 is in the tens place, 7 is in the hundreds place. I have 0 in the thousands place, and I have a 9 in the 10,000s place, and I don't have any 100,000s. All right. B says write the number in word form. So we have 90,745. So 90,000. That's a U. 90,745. 45. And sorry about the handwriting, it's pretty bad. So sorry about that. 90,745. All right, C, it says write the number in expanded form. Expanded form. The expanded form is when we're taking the value of the number and adding it. So I'll start with my 9. My 9 is in the 10,000s place, and the value of the 9 is 90,000. If you don't know how to write 90,000, all you have to do is put the 9 down, and then you count the spaces backwards, and that's how many zeros you need. So 90,000 plus, I don't have any thousands. 7 is in the hundreds. The value is 700. Plus 4 is in the tens. I have 4 tens. That's 40. Plus ones place is in the 5 is in the ones. 5. So 90,000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 5. Okay, next one. Write the number in expanded notation. Expanded notation. Here we go. So expanded notation is when we use expanded form and we put down how we get it. So we put the 9 first because it's in the 10,000s place. So 9 times 10,000 plus, I have to move me here for a second, plus hundreds is 7. So 7 times 100 because it's in the hundreds place, plus 4 times 10 plus 5 times 1. Okay, it's 9 times 10,000 because it's in the 10,000s place. It's 7 times 100 because 7's in the hundreds place. It's 4 times 10 because 4 is in the tens place. And it's 5 times 1 because 5 is in the ones place. Okay, let's continue. This number 2 is the same thing as number 1. Number 2 is the same as number 1. Okay. On the place value chart below, label the units and write the number 97,405. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay. 5 is in the ones, no tens. 4 is in the hundreds, 7 is in the thousands, and 9 is in the 10,000s. Word form would be 97,000 405. Okay. Write the number in expanded form. Expanded form, remember we're taking the value of the number and adding. 9 is in the 10,000s, so that's 90,000. Plus 7 is in the thousands, is worth 7,000. Plus 400, because 4 is in the hundreds place. The value is 400. No tens, and I have 5 ones. Okay. Now expanded notation. Expanded notation. So expanded notation, we're going to take the number first in the 10,000s, and we're going to multiply it by 10,000 because it's in the 10,000s place. Plus 7 times 1,000 plus 4 times 100 because it's in the hundreds place, and 5 times 1 because 5 is in the ones place. Okay. Again, if I'm too fast, pause it, rewind, whatever you need to do. Okay. All right, next. Okay, I'm going to have to speed up a little bit because I'm going to run out of time. So, expanded form, 7,917. So, I have 7,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 7. Okay, and expanded notation is done for you. Next, I don't have the standard form, so I have to figure out what it is. So I have 70,000, so I know I start with 7, 2,000, 300s, no 10s, and a 9. Now I have to do expanded notation. So 7 times 10,000, 2,000, 2 times 1,000, 3 times 100, and 9 times 1. Okay. Next, 83,257. So 8, I have 80,000 is the value, plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 7. Okay. Expanded notation. I have 8 times 10,000, 3 times 1,000 because it's in the thousands place, plus 2 times 100, it's in the hundreds place, plus 5 times 10, it's in the tens place, plus 7 times 1. That's expanded notation. Okay. Next, I'm going to try to go as quickly as I can. So I have 4 times 10,000, so that would be 4. 2 would be in the thousands. No hundreds. 6 tens, and 3 ones. So that's my number. Okay, expanded form would be 40,000 plus, okay, I'm going to run out of time. 2,000 plus 60 plus 3. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to run out of time, so I went ahead and did the next one for you and the last one for you. You wrote 32,508, which is incorrect because if you put them in the place value, you'll see that it's 302,000 and not 32.